shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Woo!
You didn't Agadoo yet? You didn't Agadoo yet?
No, start to softer. I'm afraid I'm very old-fashioned. Are you happy us doing this? Yeah.
Oh yes, oh yes.
We don't want to.
Especially when you play it with no hands. That's even cleverer.
Carry on when we're all back to normal as well.
So the evening is slowly coming to an end here in our street in Coventry. Oh, we've got some special people in orange up there. Key workers indeed. And here we've got everybody out in the street chatting, and this has never been known before. It is superb. People coming out and chit-chatting all over the place. And of course tomorrow we shall be at the caravan again. So we are on holiday at home tomorrow in the caravan. So that's going to be special. Right up the road there, people still out chatting with their neighbours.
Dave, what are you doing with all this footage?
It's all on YouTube. You're famous.